From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, a beauty out there today. It was awfully hard to go to work or school more than likely, but weather-wise, the mild temperatures stick around. We'll add clouds. Eventually a stormy Wednesday, then another winter chill as we round out the week and head into the weekend. More on that in just a bit. But first off, we got us a drone shot today. Beautiful day out there. Some high-level cirrus clouds. That's about it. A lot of sunshine and temperatures getting into the lower 70s this afternoon. I call this the brown time of year, or maybe the gray time of year. There is some green foliage. You know, we have a lot of evergreens across the area, and of course live oaks that stay green, but a lot of the trees are bare. But you can actually see across the region pretty nicely. Cajun Dome, there's UL Lafayette, the football field, and congratulations to the Raging Cajuns this weekend going 20-4. Got a chance to catch them. That was a lot of fun. Weather-wise, we are looking at the big picture here. High pressure dominating our weather pattern right now out in the Gulf. That's going to get pushed off to the east as here comes our next weather maker. It's going to energize the subtropical jet. Notice the polar jet off to the north. Some of the cold air in the Rockies, and then you have that cold air up in the northeast and New England. So that's your two jet stream structure, and eventually this rolls on through, energizes the subtropical jet stream, and will be our weather maker as we head into Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday evening. Now across much of the U.S. actually it's relatively quiet. We do have some snow showers with a frontal trough back to the north, and not much precipitation with our system in the west, although we are seeing some snow at elevation, some showers across Arizona. That will get its act together once it gets into the tropical air that's feeding out of the Gulf of Mexico. We have that return flow going, and with southeasterly winds tonight, we're certainly going to be milder. Now, as we head into your Wednesday, the Storm Prediction Center has all of Louisiana and Acadiana in for a marginal risk. It's just a level 1 out of 5 for severe storms. Damaging winds are going to be the primary threat. Can't rule out an isolated tornado or two. And per the Storm Prediction Center, an upgrade to a slight risk category, level 2 out of 5, will be possible in their forecast update. That comes out at about 1:30 at night. And of course, I stay up and wait for it and just to see how things are going to play out. So overnight tonight, it's certainly going to be milder. Temperatures closer to the mid-50s. And with the southeasterly winds, some clouds, maybe a sprinkle or two. And in between the clouds and sprinkles, maybe some patchy fog. So that's in the mix. Tomorrow, a cloud and sun mix. Clouds should dominate most of the day, but intervals of sunshine. We get into the mid-70s. Southerly winds perk up late in the day, and they'll stay a little breezy going into tomorrow night. Plenty of clouds tomorrow night. Also fog. Our fog-favored temperatures low to mid-60s this time of year, and with dew points coming up to that 64 range, that means that cloud deck's going to lower. You're going to see that humidity on the increase, and we'll have that fog going into tomorrow night. As we head into Wednesday afternoon hours, looks pretty good through the morning, but by the afternoon, showers and storms begin to fire up. There could be some organized storms here producing strong gusty winds. Fortunately, the storms will be moving along, so we're not expecting heavy rainfall or at least flooding rainfall. It's going to rain heavy for a half hour or an hour and then move along, but you could see a pretty organized squall line. We could see embedded damaging wind in that squall, maybe an isolated tornado. In its wake, we'll clear out for Thursday. Looks to be a nice day. Secondary front comes in later this week to chill us out. As for rainfall, here's the Euro model. We'll show you the graph coming up at 6 o'clock, but most of us should expect a ½ inch to an inch of rain. But as always, you could have isolated amounts twice that, so maybe 1 to 2 inches in isolated spots, but not enough to create flooding, but enough to exacerbate how wet our ground is. And just as our mud is starting to dry out, it's going to get wet again. So patchy fog overnight tonight, not a major concern. Going into tomorrow night, it looks like there'll be a little bit more in the way of sea fog. We could see those reduced visibilities going through Wednesday morning. And then the showers and thunderstorms, obviously, Wednesday afternoon and evening. Mid-50s tonight. We'll go into your mid-70s for a high tomorrow. So spring-like temperatures to stay for at least the next couple of days. 55 the overnight low as those clouds gradually increase late tonight. Some patchy fog by daybreak. Then for tomorrow, we'll see readings getting into the mid-70s. Spring-like temperatures are for sure. Plenty of clouds, but some intervals of sun into the afternoon. And as we move forward, 90% on your rain chances Wednesday. We'll call it a possible alert weather day. We'll see if we get an upgrade to that severe weather risk. Thereafter, a winter chill returning for the weekend. Looks great for the parades this weekend, but dress warmly for sure. And as we head into next week, more unsettled and stormy weather for the middle part of next week.
All right, very good. Thanks, Rob.